If you are a beginner in CSS, you might sometimes get confused after watching CSS project tutorial videos about why they are using transforms in their project. It always a little bit complex for most of beginners. I'm going to explain most commonly used transforms in this series, and today I'm going to explain scale. Scale is basically used to change any element's visual size in the browser. You can use a scale as a separate property or as a value of transform. You can scale any element along the x, y, and z axis, but we'll keep this series in 2D, so we'll not explore transforming elements in z axis. To scale any element, you have to provide x and y value for a scale. If you provide only one value for a scale, it will be considered the same value for both x and y. For example, if you want to scale any element by 2x in both x and y, then you can only provide 2 as a value of scale. You can provide any floating point number as a value, such as 0.5, to scale the element to half of its original size. That's what we can do with scale in CSS. Hope you guys understand the concept of scale. Thanks for watching.